I'm in Moab, Utah, conducting a workshop on nature photography.
Whatever catches your eye, try to zoom in on it and make it unequivocal.
2 days ago it was pouring rain. Tomorrow it's going to be cloudy and stormy. We've lucked out with beautiful sunny weather, and yet where are we? We're working in the shade in the middle of the day. My participants are all scattered up and down this deep canyon, lost in finding beautiful imagery, but it's not what you would think in Moab, Utah. It's not Delicate Arch, which is about 20 miles away, with a lineup of photographers waiting their turn to photograph a shot that will obviously be on Instagram. But from my perspective, it's a hollow victory. I shot Delicate Arch 40 years ago, and 20 years before me, somebody else shot that arch. No, what I love to teach, whether it's here in Moab or Carmel or Seattle or Detroit, is the art of seeing. See these fine lined plants? And I'm just studying them, and here, the tops of them are catching the light, and they're very, very delicate, and contrasting that against the solid wall, that becomes a nice study. Later, they can go to Delicate Arch or Arches National Park in general and shoot all the traditional landscapes, but while they're with me, we're shooting shots that most people walk by on their way to the big vistas. Now, again, whether that ever becomes a shot that I could use is secondary to the fact that I saw it, I shot it, and I learned from the experience. That's what I and my partner in crime, Gabriel Jacan, do. We try to teach the art of seeing. Yep, that's it. So we need to shield that. It's easy to say, not entirely easy to do, and in fact, after 5 decades of shooting, I'm discovering new subjects every day, which it gets me out of bed. This is what I have to offer my participants, really training the eye to see and discover.